सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Very good morning to all of you today. As I have told you, exercise 13D factorization is very important for you. This is the second part of the video. Those who have not done, those who have not seen the first part of the video, you can see the cover page here and you can watch the first part of the video. Okay, let us start. Now you see the question 2a plus b whole square plus 5 2a plus b plus 6. In this question, first we will try to compare with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c, and we will try to change in this form. For that, what we have to do, the new question, we will take 2a plus b is equal to x and we will substitute the value. Okay, how we will do this? In the place of 2a plus b we will write x, so it will become x square, and in the place of 2a plus b in second term we will write x, it will become 5x, and 6 is constant. So our new question is x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, you can check in third step. After this, what we have to do, as I have told you, now by middle term factorization we will first find the product of first term and last term, that is 6x square, and what is in the middle, 5x. Now we will do sum or difference, 3x plus 2x 5x, or you can check multiply 3x into 2x is equal to 6x square. Okay, like this we will do middle term factorization. After that, what we have to do, now we will replace 5x, and what we will write in the place of 5x, we will write 3x plus 2x. Now in first term and in second term, what is common, you can see in first term and in second term what is common, you see something is common, means x is common, so we will take x. Now what is left, x plus 3 is left, so x plus 3 will be outside. Now after that x plus 2 is left. Now what we have to do after this, now you see, we will, by putting the value of x, we will do, what was the value of x, 2a plus b, so in the place of x we will write 2a plus b, and what is left, 3 is left. So same we will do in second term, 2a plus b plus 2, so it is our required answer. Okay, let us see another question. Question is in this form, c plus bx plus ax square. Okay, in this what is same in first, second term and third term, 2x plus 3y is same, so we will take 2x plus 3y is equal to a. After that, what will happen, in the place of 2x plus 3y we will write a. Question will become like this, 1 minus a minus 6a square. Check in third step, 1 minus a minus 6a square. What we will do after this, same we will do product and sum or difference. What is product, first and last, minus 6a square. What is sum or difference, minus a. So what we will take, minus a is equal to minus 3a plus 2a. We can write like this, so 1 and minus 3a, what is common, 1 is common. In the second term also what is common, 2a is common, so what is left, 1 minus 3a. Now you see 1 minus 3a is a common factor of both, so 1 minus 3a will be outside. Now what is left, 1 plus 2a. Now we will put the value of a, 1 minus 3 a, in the place of a 2x plus 3y, same in the place of a 2x plus 3y, multiply 1 minus 3 to the 6x minus plus minus 9y, 1 plus 2 2 to the 4x plus 2 into 3 6y. So like this you can do, it is our required answer. Okay, remove the bracket, change the sign, your answer will match. Let us see another question. Question is here. Now what is in second term and third term, can you see, I have underlined there, a plus b is same. We can take a plus b is equal to x. Why we will take, because we will change it in standard form. Okay, so it will become 8 plus 6x minus 5x square. Same process we will follow, first product, first into last, minus 40, then sum or difference. Okay, now how we will break it, 6x we will break, 10x minus 4x, 6x will come and we will multiply, minus 40x square should come. Now come in second line. What is common in 8 and 10? 2 we can take common. What is left here? 4 plus 5x minus, what is same here? Nothing is same. X is common, x will be outside. What is left? 4 plus 5x. Okay, like this, what is common? 4 plus 5x we will take as a common factor. Four plus 5x we have taken common factor. After that, what is left? First term is 2, then minus x. Now it is our required answer. For that, what we have to do? Now what is the value of x? That value of x we will keep. How we will keep? Remember, always whenever you keep the value, try to keep in bracket, because sign will change. You can see here 4 plus 5x, 5x. What is the value of x? A plus b. So a plus b I have written in small bracket. Same 2 minus x, a minus bracket, a plus b I have written in bracket. Okay, why? Because you see sign will change in the second term. Minus plus minus. So it is our required answer. Okay. Let us solve another question. See first term and second term, x plus 2y, x plus 2y. I have underlined, I have written there a. If in the question there is x, you can take a. X plus 2y we will take as a. Okay, so question will become 2a square minus 5a plus 2. Okay, now how we will solve after this? Same process we will do. Product first term and last term, and in the middle term minus 5a. How we will break minus 5a? Direct we can write minus 4a minus 1a, minus plus, but sign will remain minus. Okay, 4a into 1a, 4a square. Condition is satisfied. So we will break minus 5a into minus 4a minus 1a. Like this, what will happen? 2a is common, a minus 2 is left. In the last two term nothing is common, so 1 is common, bracket a minus 2. Remember, there is one sign, minus plus. Now you see what is common. A minus 2 is common factor. Check it nicely. A minus 2 is common factor, so we will take as a common factor outside. Okay, now what is left? A minus 2 is left and 2a minus 1 is left. Check here in second line. Now we will do after this what? We will put the value of a. What was the value of a? X plus 2y in first term, and in second term you see I have written in small bracket. We will multiply 2 into x, 2x, 2 to the 4y minus 1 is our required answer. So you have to remember, whenever you write in the last line the value, always try to keep the term in bracket. Okay, because sign will change in some question. So it is our required answer. Now you see two important revision question I have written here. This you will do it by yourself. You will not take help from anyone. Question I am reading out so that you will not have any problem. 12 bracket a plus b whole square minus bracket a plus b minus 35. Question number 2, 5 minus bracket 3a square minus 2a bracket close bracket 6 minus 3a square plus 2a. Okay, that is a. Okay, those who have not done, those who have not seen the first part of this video, go watch and first build up your concept, then try to solve this exercise. And those who have not subscribed my channel, subscribe and press the like button. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe at your home.